Hi ho, it's PSU Pun Guy and Little Teacher. Today we would like to show you that we have just purchased a
Frigidaire 24.8 cubic feet chest freezer.
Okay. This freezer comes with two handy storage racks, which we're going to put over here because we're not using them at the moment. This freezer came with casters, which is nice, but we blocked this up for the reason that we don't want it rocking and rolling in the basement. It also comes with a lock, and it is really energy efficient. Estimated yearly cost is right at $60, 426 kilowatts. So it's really a pretty decent freezer. It's a Frigidaire, as Little Teacher said. There it is. And it has some neat features. The first feature that we're going to show you is down here. And Little Teacher, if you would press, there's two buttons. The bottom says temperature.
Right. Push the temperature.
Push the temperature. And it's showing
Negative 11 Fahrenheit.
Right. And the nice thing is, this lets you know exactly what the freezer is operating at. And after so many seconds, it will turn itself off. And this also has a freeze boost capacity, so you can give it an extra boost to freeze everything. We have ours set at Fahrenheit, as you can see, and it's cooling right now, Fahrenheit 11 negative. And you can see that there is a C there, and it does do a defrost cycle every 24 hours.
Yeah, in order to switch it, you have to hold this for 3 seconds.
Okay.
Let me do it?
No, because
okay.
I like it on Fahrenheit.
Okay.
But if you guys have a question, we can do the video for you. Okay, coming back up. There's page 8 is the control and settings for the freezer. And one of the nice things is lifting the lid. It has a LED light. And if you were stepping back, and you're maybe looking at this going, what in the world? We are beekeepers. And we've had some trouble with wax moths this year. So the cure-all to get rid of the wax moths is to put it in the freezer 24 hours, negative 11 degrees. We're going to do 36 just to make sure we kill the little buggers. And we want to make sure that our wax and frames are ready for the next year. We'd like to give a shout out to Parker's in Chicora. They had this in stock. They delivered it, and we're always saying buy local, support the smaller family businesses, because Parker's services what they sell. Let's see here. Can you get that? Okay. Little Teacher is going to show you. It's Parker's Appliances, 528 North Main Street, Chicora, PA, and 445 9931.
3931.
3931.
Okay.
And it's Parker's ApplianceTV.com. We like to give them a shout out, and their employees and their delivery service. They got us out of a jam. As I said, we lost some bees due to a bad season. Best way to describe it. Cold weather, warm weather, things just didn't pan out. So we lost some hives, and we want to make sure that we're ready for next year, and Parker's came to the rescue. Now, this freezer will also be used for freezing other things. We have the General Electric that we purchased from them a little over a year ago. It's running exceptionally well. Our electric bills aren't really out of sight, and we thank them for both of these products. So if you have any questions, give them a call. Ask for Dave or Brian. Or there's a Tina that works over there. You can ask for her. She's really good. Little teacher, anything that you want to add?
They did mention that the casters, once it's full, not to use them to move the freezer because they could break.
Okay. And that would be down there. The casters are, unfortunately, we'll call it the weakest point.
Yeah.
Or,
but it is nice to move your freezer to where you need to go when it's empty.
yes. Because even though they're no longer the monsters that our parents and grandparents had, it is kind of nice to be able to move it easily. So with that, we thank you for watching. We do this for you, the consumer. We went out and bought this, and we'll do reviews on it as we go. Likes, dislikes, etc. But please subscribe, ask questions, give us a thumbs up, or complaints. That's what we're here for. So this is PSU Pun Guy and Little Teacher saying, hey, thanks for watching. Thumbs up to Parker Appliances, thumbs up to their delivery drivers, and a thumbs up, there we go, for their repair people, because they repair anything that they sell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.